Although the petitioner has not succeeded in showing that as a person, he was vexed twice by the revenue collectors. What he did by coming to court is an action that has helped the people of Keroka and also the people of Nyamira and Kisii, because the tension that was there of knowing where the boundary is and fighting over it, I grant him the cause of this suit. That's the judgment of the court.
Most obliged.
I believe this is a win-win situation. The boundary is there. The service agreement, you can go back to it, or you can decide to do away with it. But so tell the Kanjo, Mheshimiwa Governor, Your Excellency, you tell your people to stick to their territory. Mr. Oginga, you tell Hon.Simba Arati to tell his people to confine themselves to their territory. However small, however big, let everybody, whoever determined that boundary must have done it for the good of the people. So even if one person was given a smaller kick than the other, you wait for the review of boundaries. But before then, and if at all it doesn't happen, if that boundary is not reviewed, let's stick to those boundaries. We've had situations. I was told by the then head of Keroka Station, Honorable Kimutai, that people would even protest to be taken to Keroka court if they are from the other side, because Keroka court is on the side of Nyamira. So people from Kisii would not want to be brought there. The national government will not act like that. There are some, even when arrested and taken to the police station, they say we don't belong to this territory. Kenya is one, and in discharging the services to the people and in administration, the national government disregards the boundaries. So the county governments also, when it comes to service delivery, you can have a joint agreement as you had one here. Unfortunately, those people who came up with a bright idea are no longer in power. But they are still with us. Many of them, apart from the late Mheshimiwa Nyagarama, all the others are around. You can still invite them to tell you what they had in mind and to tell you what the mischief was before they came up with the service delivery, which is provided for.
Kitu ya kwanza ambayo tutafanya, mimi kama mwakilishi wodi wa Rigoma, nitatafuta mwakilishi wodi wa Ichuni, tuandike report yetu, alafu tu forward kwa county assemblies. Ndio maana leo tuko na chairperson wetu wa lands committee, kwa sababu kwa ile orders ambazo koti imetoa, imeambia assemblies waangalie report na wapeane kwa mahakama within 90 days. Pia tuone ni jinsi ambavyo service delivery itafanywa Keroka. Over 90% of the town, and this judgment has confirmed, is in Nyamira County. Lakini pia 10% ambayo iko pande ya Kisii au kanitweza tufanye service. Hata kwa sasa sisi watu wa Nyamira ndio tuna provide maji kwa hiyo pande ya Kisii. Maji inatoka Nyangori kwetu inaenda pande ya Kisii. Hospitali tuko nao moja iko Nyamira, inaserve watu wote. Mambo ya stima, kila kitu iko pande yetu. Hata sewerage system ambayo tumetafuta pesa ya kuweka town ya Keroka iko pande ya Nyamira ambayo ni 90% of the town. So mimi naomba kuwa sisi kama viongozi, pia judge amedirect, tutaongea na Governor Nyaribo na Governor Simba na wakilishi ward wa Ichuni na hata wajumbe wetu Mheshimiwa Gisairo na Mheshimiwa Manduku, ili tufanye kikao ya kueleza hii town yetu, hata kama pande kubwa kabisa kwenye Nyamira County. Hatuwezi develop hii pande, tuache hii pande imebaki kidogo, pande ya Kisii ndio tuone vile tutaendelea kwenda mbele. There is a section, the entire stretch as you approach Keroka all the way, to around regional police station on both sides of the road from the report. They're in Nyamira County. There is a section from that side which falls within Kisii about 10% according to what has been adopted to the court today. And we thank the court, the survey office, IBC and National Land Commission for demonstrating and showing the people of Keroka where the boundary is. Now, since we've solved the issue of boundary, the next issue which we intend to solve is the issue of service delivery, and that's the issue which the court said that it has no jurisdiction, and they referred the parties to the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee.
Commission to show where the boundary lies between Kisii and the Nyamira counties. Thereafter, the court had made an order that IBC be enjoined in these proceedings, and when they were enjoined, they were ordered to go to the ground together with the National Land Commission and other experts from the relevant ministries of this country to go and determine where the boundary lies between Keroka and the Nyamira. The report was tabled and the court has adopted the report, and that is what the petition has been insisting, that there has been a confusion as to where the boundary between Nyamira and the Kisii lies. There seems to have been an encroachment from the other side of Kisii County, collecting revenue where they are not supposed to collect, but now the court has made its pronouncement in a precedent setting decision, and they have held that let the report be adopted, the one which was filed by IBC and the other experts, and now the boundary has been marked and it is now known.
That people would even protest to be taken to Keroka court if they are from the other side, because Keroka court is on the near side of Nyamira. So people from Kisii would not want to be brought there. The national government will not act like that. There are some, even when arrested and taken to the police station, they say we don't belong to this territory. Kenya is one, and in discharging the services to the people and in administration, the national government disregards the boundaries. So the county governments also, when it comes to service delivery, you can have a joint agreement as you had one. Unfortunately, those people who came up with a bright idea are no longer in power. But they are still with us. Many of them, apart from the late Nyaribo, all the others are around. You can still invite them to tell you what they had in mind and to tell you what the mistake was before they came up with a service delivery, which is provided for.